Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. If you like the tarot readings, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. Today on 22nd of August, here in Maharashtra and India, we are celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is a festival for Lord Ganesha, also known as Elephant God. So, this reading is about the message from Lord Ganesha. What messages Lord Ganesha have for India, for world, in dealing with economy, in dealing with rogue nations like China, North Korea, Pakistan, and who who is going to be the best for United States of America in next 4 years, Donald Trump or Joe Biden, what is the message for that. So these are the cards for that. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe, and also keep giving me your suggestions, ideas for new topics to do tarot readings. So let's start. So I'll start with India. Now, message for India. Queen of Wands: to be courageous, bold in taking decisions. Well, Mr. Modi, our Prime Minister, is doing that, but yes, he needs to be more bold. And also, this card suggests this Queen of Wand is a social butterfly. So, this card is suggesting that India should make a group of countries like all developing countries who are strategically located, having good market, like Brazil or Germany or some European countries, some Asian countries. India should make a group so that they can then that particular group can deal with these top exporters and importers. Like, when we go to a supermarket, or when we go to a kirana shop or a vegetable shop, we deal with them that, come on, I want 5 kg, I don't want just 1 kg, I want 5 kg, you should lower your prices. So similarly, India can deal with these big nations if they can create a big group of countries, and if India can lead. So that's the message for India: to make a group, to become social butterfly, um, develop very good relationships around the world, and be bold in taking steps wherever it is required. That's the message. Now, what is the message for Indian economy? Situation is not bad as it's situation is not that bad. That's what this card suggests. If managed properly, things will be lot easier as far as Indian economy is concerned, and the road ahead will be clear. So, Lord Ganesha is suggesting that all India needs to do is to just streamline some processes. That's it. Manage, change the way they manage right now economy, and things will be far better. Then we have two rogue nations as our neighbors. One is Pakistan and one is China. So how to deal with them? What Ganesha is suggesting? against Pakistan, just conquer them and show them their real place. That's what it is suggesting. Show them your supremacy once and for all. China, how to deal with them? If India will take steps, then certainly others will help India. They will support India. Now, China, best way to deal with China is to uh, take other way, block their economy, hurt their economy. That's when they will be hurt. This man is a trader, a businessman. He's standing at the top of the mountain and looking far ahead. So, and he's having support. So that's what message is to deal with China. That you need to think of say what is going to happen after 10 years. So accordingly you need to plan things and to block China, do not to get over depend on China, and to get support of other countries also in dealing with China, in blocking Chinese economy, Chinese goods, and to be self-dependent. That's what it is suggesting. Now, world. How to deal with Corona? That's what my question was, and Lord Ganesha's message is don't be careless and carefree. That's it. Simple message. Just be careful and you are saved. If you are careless or carefree, you are gone. World economy. So for world economy, message is clear. Whatever worst we thought, that is gone. Now beyond this, nothing bad is going to happen. From here, things are going to improve only. So that's the message for the world economies. Now, what is the message for the world to deal with these rogue nations? China, Pakistan, Iran, North Korea, how to deal with them? Now look at this picture. This queen, from one hand, she is suggesting, talking, but on other hand, she is ready with her sword. She is ready to punish also. So, what she is doing? First, she is giving opportunity to these rogue nations to fall in line. She is just asking them to fall in line. If not, then she will take the help of the sword. She will not bother. She is a straightforward person. She is all she will do is that she will just cut them apart. So that's what the message is. Either fall in line or dismiss them, boycott them. Now, who will be the best person for United States of America? Donald Trump or Joe Biden? Now, this is the card for Donald Trump, this is the card for Joe Biden for next 4 years. Now here, out of this card, these two cards, Knight of Pentacles for Donald Trump. So certainly he is the person who can bring back American economy on a stable level, stability. Joe Biden will be like, okay, come on, I became president. Now it will be a kind of holiday for him. So best person for the job which Ganpati Bappa, Lord Ganesha suggests is Donald Trump. Now, what is the message, overall message for India in dealing with world? So, clear cut message, world card. Think that whole world is yours. One cycle has ended. Think as if this is your rebirth and start again from the scratch, and things will automatically fall in line. That's what this message is. So anyway, Prime Minister Modi has already started Atmanirbhar campaign, which indicates that now he wants India to be self-dependent for everything. So hopefully he has got the message from Lord Ganesha already. So that's the reading. Hope you like the reading, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.